Math GED quiz. Question 1. A recipe uses 6 cups of rice for every 3 cups of water. How much water is needed for 42 cups of rice? Option A 21 cups. Option B 45. Option C 3. Option D 18. The correct answer is option. The rice amount is multiplied by 7, so the water amount must also be multiplied by 7, giving 21 cups. This matches option A. Option B is wrong because it adds the original water amount after scaling only rice. Option C is wrong because it uses the original recipe without scaling. Option D is wrong because it multiplies the two original ratio parts. Question 2. Two independent events have probabilities 1/2 and 1/3. What is the chance both happen? Option A 5/6. Option B 1/2. Option C cannot be determined. Option D 1/6. The correct answer is option. For independent events both occurring, multiply the probabilities. 1/2 times 1/3 equals 1/6. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it adds independent probabilities instead of multiplying for both. Option B is wrong because it keeps only one event's probability. Option C is wrong because it adds an unsupported assumption not given in the question. Question 3. Find the range of the scores 20, 10, 24, 35, 46, 24. Option A 24. Option B 26.5. Option C 36. Option D 56. The correct answer is option. Range equals highest minus lowest, so 46 to 10 equals 36. This matches option C. Option A is wrong because it chooses a middle value instead of comparing highest and lowest. Option B is wrong because it finds the mean. Option D is wrong because it adds the extremes instead of subtracting them. Question 4. In the line y equals dash 4x plus minus 3, which number is the y-intercept? Option A minus 4. Option B hex. Option C 3. Option D minus 3. The correct answer is option. In slope-intercept form y equals mx plus b, the y-intercept is b, which is minus 3. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it is the slope, not the y-intercept. Option B is wrong because the intercept is a number where the line crosses the y-axis. Option C is wrong because it changes the sign of the intercept. Question 5. Two angles in a triangle are 46 degrees and 53 degrees. What is the third angle? Option A 99 degrees. Option B 127 degrees. Option C 134 degrees. Option D 81 degrees. The correct answer is option. Triangle angles sum to 180 degrees, so subtract the two known angles. 180 to 46, 53 equals 81 degrees. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it adds the known angles but does not subtract from 180 degree. Option B is wrong because it ignores the first known angle. Option C is wrong because it ignores the second known angle. Question 6. A chart shows 46 students chose online study and 38 chose books. How many more chose the larger group? Option A KD4. Option B 46. Option C 38. Option D 8. The correct answer is option. How many more asks for a difference, so subtract the smaller value from the larger value to get 8. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it gives the total rather than the difference. Option B is wrong because it selects the larger group but does not compare the groups. Option C is wrong because it selects the smaller group. Question 7. If 24 flyers are shared equally among 8 tables, how many flyers go on each table? Option A 16. Option B 192. Option C 3. Option D 32. The correct answer is option. Equal sharing means divide the total by the number of groups. 24 divided by 8 equals 3. This matches option C. Option A is wrong because it subtracts instead of dividing. Option B is wrong because it multiplies the total by the number of tables. Option D is wrong because it adds instead of dividing. Question 8. Convert 7 liters to milliliters? Option A 7,000 ml. Option B 700 ml. Option C 1,007 ml. Option D is 0.007 ml. The correct answer is option. 1 liter equals 1000 milliliters, so 7 times 1000 equals 7000 ml. This matches option A. Option B is wrong because it uses 100 instead of 1000. Option C is wrong because it adds the conversion factor. Option D is wrong because it divides instead of multiplying. Question 9. Select the greatest decimal from 7.3, 6.1, and 4.3. Option A, 7.3. Option B, they are equal. Option C, 6.1. Option D, 4.3. The correct answer is option. Compare tenths first and then hundredths if needed. The greatest value is 7.3. This matches option A. Option B is wrong because the digits show different values after the decimal point. Option C is wrong because it is between the other two values. Option D is wrong because it is the smallest value after aligning decimal places. Question 10. Find the distance between 5, 1 and 5, 7 on a vertical line. Option A, 8. Option B, cannot be determined. Option C, 6. Option D, 0. The correct answer is option. For a vertical segment, distance is the absolute difference of the y values. 7, 1 equals 6. This matches option C. Option A is wrong because it adds y values instead of subtracting them. Option B is wrong because it adds an unsupported assumption not given in the question. Option D is wrong because it uses the exchange, which is 0 here. Question 11. Which point lies on y equals dash 2x plus 0? Option A, 3, minus 4. Option B, minus 2, minus 4. Option C, 2, minus 4. Option D, 2, minus 3. The correct answer is option. Substituting x equals 2 gives y equals dash 2, 2, plus 0 equals minus 4. This matches option C. Option A is wrong because using the new x value would require a different y value. Option B is wrong because changing the x value changes the line calculation. Option D is wrong because the y value is 1 unit too high. Question 12. Multiply 18 by 9 quickly. Option A, 180. Option B, 27. Option C, 162. Option D, 144. The correct answer is option. Multiplication means 9 groups of 18, which equals 162. This matches option C. Option A is wrong because it adds one extra group. Option B is wrong because it adds the factors. Option D is wrong because it leaves out one group. Question 13. Convert the mixed number 6 2/3 into an improper fraction. Option A, 16/3. Option B, 20/3. Option C, 8/3. Option D, 6/5. The correct answer is option. Multiply the whole number by the denominator and add the numerator. 6 times 3 plus 2 equals 20. This matches option B. Option A is wrong because it subtracts the numerator even though the mixed number is positive. Option C is wrong because it adds the whole number to the numerator without multiplying by the denominator. Option D is wrong because it places the whole number over a changed denominator. Question 14. A calculator shows 7% sales tax on $90. What total should be paid? Option A, $83. Option B, $6.30. Option C, $96.30. Option D, $97. The correct answer is option. Find the tax as 7% of $90 and add it to the original price, giving $96.30. This matches option C. Option A is wrong because it subtracts the tax rate as dollars. Option B is wrong because it shows only the tax, not the full total. Option D is wrong because it adds the tax rate as a dollar amount. Question 15. Simplify the ratio 20:80 so it is ready for a get answer choice. Option A, 40:100. Option B, 4:1. Option C, 1:4. Option D, 20:80. The correct answer is option. Divide both parts by their greatest common factor, 20, to get 1:4. This matches option C. Option A is wrong because it adds instead of dividing by a common factor. Option B is wrong because it reverses the order of the comparison. Option D is wrong because it leaves the ratio unsimplified. Question 16. A fair spinner has 5 equal sections. What is the chance of not landing on section 2? Option A, 1. Option B, 1/5. Option C, 4/5. Option D, 5/4. The correct answer is option. Only one section is excluded, so 4 of the 5 sections work, giving 4/5. This matches option C. Option A is wrong because it assumes the target section is impossible. Option B is wrong because it gives the chance of landing on the target section. Option D is wrong because it reverses the numerator and denominator. Question 17. Identify the mode of 2, 4, 6, 6, 6, 8. Option A, 2. Option B, cannot be determined. Option C, 6. Option D, 5.33. The correct answer is option. The mode is the value that appears most often. 6 appears 3 times. This matches option C. Option A is wrong because it appears only once and is not the most frequent value. Option B is wrong because it adds an unsupported assumption not given in the question. Option D is wrong because it finds the mean instead of the most frequent value. Question 18. For y equals 2x plus 1, what is y when x equals 3? Option A, y equals 7. Option B, 4. Option C, 5. Option D, 3. The correct answer is option. Substitute x equals 3, y equals 2, 3, plus 1 equals 7. This matches option A. Option B is wrong because it ignores the coefficient of x. Option C is wrong because it subtracts the intercept instead of adding it. Option D is wrong because it substitutes 1 for x instead of the given value. Question 19. A right triangle has legs 6 and 8. What is the hypotenuse? Option A, 2. Option B, 100. Option C, 14. Option D, 10. The correct answer is option. Use A superscript 2 plus B superscript 2 equals C superscript 2, 36 plus 64 equals 100, so C equals 10. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it subtracts the legs. Option B is wrong because it stops before taking the square root. Option C is wrong because it adds the legs instead of using the Pythagorean theorem. Question 20. A table lists sales as Monday 14, Tuesday 23, and Wednesday 23. What is the 3-day total? Option A, 23. Option B, 20. Option C, 37. Option D, 60. The correct answer is option. Add all 3 listed values. 14 plus 23 equals 60. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it selects only the largest day. Option B is wrong because it finds the average rather than the total. Option C is wrong because it leaves out Wednesday. Question 21. A student has $65 and buys 4 notebooks at $15 each. How much money is left? Option A, $125. Option B, $50. Option C, $60. Option D, $5. The correct answer is option. First find the cost. 4 times $15 equals $60, then subtract from $65 to get $5. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it adds spending to the budget. Option B is wrong because it subtracts only 1 notebook. Option C is wrong because it gives the amount spent, not the amount left. Question 22. Convert 7 pounds to ounces? Option A, 84 ounces. Option B, 112 ounces. Option C, 23 ounces. Option D is 0.44 ounces. The correct answer is option. There are 16 ounces in 1 pound, so 7 times 16 equals 112 ounces. This matches option B. Option A is wrong because it uses 12 as the conversion factor. Option C is wrong because it adds 16 instead of multiplying. Option D is wrong because it divides by 16. Question 23. Round 5.327 to 2 decimal places? Option A, 5.32. Option B, 5.33. Option C, 5.327. Option D, cannot be determined. The correct answer is option. Look at the digit immediately after the requested place and round to 5.33. This matches option B. Option A is wrong because it always rounds down instead of checking the next digit. Option C is wrong because it leaves the number at 3 decimal places. Option D is wrong because it adds an unsupported assumption not given in the question. Question 24. Reflect the point, 5, minus 5, across the x-axis? Option A, 5, 5. Option B, minus 5, 5. Option C, cannot be determined. Option D, minus 5, minus 5. The correct answer is option. A reflection across the x-axis keeps x the same and changes the sign of y. This matches option A. Option B is wrong because it reflects across both axes. Option C is wrong because it adds an unsupported assumption not given in the question. Option D is wrong because it reflects across the y-axis. Question 25. For the graph of y equals dash 2x plus 5, which slope should the line have? Option A is 0. Option B, minus 2. Option C, 2. Option D of 5. The correct answer is option. In y equals mx plus b, m is the slope, so the graph should rise or fall by minus 2 for each 1 unit of run. This matches option B. Option A is wrong because a zero slope would be a horizontal line. Option C is wrong because it changes the sign of the slope. Option D is wrong because it identifies the y-intercept instead of the slope.